All right, today we're gonna bring an electrical razor, and this is a wireless one, if you guys can see. Now, out of the box, they give you everything that's needed, including the charging station, fluids to clean it, and also the actual cord to charge it, and all the different sizes of clips that you're gonna require, including the actual manual and a little traveling bag. And today, we're gonna actually shave some of it off and see how well it works. So I have one, but it's cord and this is wireless. You don't have to worry about tanglements or reaching out certain areas. This you could take all around any clients if you're gonna start shaving them. This is perfect. Now, the best thing I like about it is the kit, the clean kit, including with it, and they give you a little set pair of scissors and also a comb. So we're gonna use it today to trim some of my hair down and see how well it works. Normally when I shave, I always shave this down to the baldness, and then I use a razor. So we're gonna shave completely my head. Get rid of this stuff. This actually grabs pretty good for a bald guy, to be honest with you. Now, this haircut clipper is really good. Grabbing some of the hair that I had. I used to shave it all the time, and it was a hassle because you had to water it down. Now this one goes all the way down to the roots almost, you know, which is great because that's one thing I need. Instead of me cutting my hair with a razor and washing it and doing all this mess, the hair clippers, just simple, just put it on. I like this option. This is my favorite option. So this is something that's really simple to actually just use, you know. Now, to clean it, recommend it once in a while. Remove this, oil it up, remove some of the hair that you have in there. The clippers themselves, the charging station is at the bottom. So, like the handle. I like the aesthetics of it, the looks, very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy the video.